Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to change your profile picture and status on Discord. You need to make your Discord profile uniquely yours. This guide shows you how to change your profile picture, that is the avatar, and set your custom status on Discord, whether using the desktop or the mobile. You need to express yourself and let your friends know what you're up to. So let's get started. Let's start with your Discord profile. You see, your Discord profile is how your friends see you. Let's make it pop by changing your picture and status in 60 seconds flat. Let's get started. First, you tap on your profile at the bottom, right here, and you can see the picture here. Tap on the picture, and you can see you're online. This is where you change your status. So you decide which status you want, or you can also set a custom status by tapping here, and then you put in what you want. For example, I'm hungry. Let's say I want that to be my status. I am hungry. So you see, it has changed. So I'm hungry. Now, you can also choose the time when you want the status to clear. 24 hours, 4 hours, you decide. You can even decide not to have it cleared at all. So I tap on save. Now we've changed the status. So you see, now we want to change our picture. So we go to settings, you tap on the gear icon at the top. So you can see account, tap on account. You can see the display name, but what about the picture? Like a little picture we want to change. So let's go back. So to change the picture, we're going to tap on edit profile option, and then you tap on the pen icon or the pencil icon next to the picture. And you have to upload a PNG or JPG picture under 8 megabytes. Images should be at least 128 by 128. You can also get animated avatars by uploading GIFs to animate your avatars, but you can only do that with Nitro, so it's a paid plan. You can also change decoration. You can change the decoration. You can see some of them are locked. You can go to the shop to get some new ones. And then let's go back. You can also add your pronouns and stuff, so you decide how you want it done. Profile effects and nameplate. So that's it. So let's say I don't want to change my profile picture, but let's say you want to do it, just follow the steps I gave to you, and you should be able to do it. Now you're looking fresh and telling the world your vibe, ready to start some conversations. Our next video is all about adding friends and sending DMs. You know what to do. See you in the next one.